Expect less than an hour and a half from arrival to completion for a typical shingle roof hole repair when the crew is prepared and weather is cooperative. For a standard patch, start by assessing the hole size and surrounding shingle condition, because most quick repairs involve replacing 1 or 2 shingles and sealing the exposed underlayment. Lift adjoining shingles carefully with a flat bar to avoid breaking tabs, and slide replacement shingles under the lifted edges so they sit flush and maintain proper overlap. Use roofing cement sparingly under shingle tabs and along nail heads to create a waterproof seal, and drive nails into the nailing zone, not through sealant, to preserve adhesion. If the underlayment or sheathing is damaged, cut out the bad section and install a small plywood or oriented strand board patch that matches the roof decking thickness before relaying underlayment and shingles. Keep a small kit on hand with replacement shingles, roofing nails, a tube of polymer roofing cement, a utility knife, and a pry bar to avoid delays on site. For steep slopes, work from a secure roof anchor and use roof jacks or toe boards to maintain balance, because safety measures both speed the job and reduce the chance of rework. The 3 most common issues are brittle or weathered shingles that crack when you try to lift them, hidden underlayment deterioration that makes the new shingle sit uneven, and failing to match nail placement, which leads to blown loose shingles. For brittle shingles, warm them gently with a heat gun or hair dryer to soften the asphalt before prying up and prevent breakage. For damaged underlayment, cut back to solid material and replace a small section so the shingle lays flat and the sealant can bond properly. For nail placement, mark the correct nailing zone on the replacement shingle and use the same number of nails in the same pattern as the surrounding shingles so wind resistance is preserved. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and contractors find job opportunities in their service area. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, timelines, and real-world experiences about projects like roof hole repairs.